India's relationship with medicine began centuries ago with different healing traditions and a deep respect for life. Over time, that wisdom found new forms. Science grew, capability grew, and India's modern pharmaceutical story began to take shape, one that the world now leans on. Today, India is often referred to as the pharmacy of the world, a $60 billion industry and a trusted global supplier of affordable, quality-assured, patient-centered medicines. A force that changed the course of the HIV/AIDS crisis, delivering life-saving therapies for less than $1 a day. A vaccine powerhouse, strengthening public health and saving millions of lives worldwide. And behind this rise was something uniquely Indian, an entrepreneurial spirit, bold, resilient, and purpose-driven. Enterprises that began with little more than belief grew through conviction in science, scale, and purpose. A journey of enterprise and government policy, of science and research, of public needs and access. One that placed India at the center of the world's medicine cabinet. And yet, much of this story has lived only in fragments across labs and factories, across boardrooms and memories. Today, we change that. The Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance, which celebrates its 25-year journey, brings forward an initiative of national significance. In collaboration with IIM Ahmedabad Archives, IPA takes stewardship of India's pharmaceutical legacy, presenting the India Pharma Archives. A tribute to an industry that helped shape India's powerful rise on the world stage, preserving over 6 decades of purpose, progress, resilience, and leadership. Bringing together history and lived experience in 2 enduring expressions, a printed coffee table book and a website. The Alchemy of Cure, a printed chronicle capturing the ideas, decisions, and breakthroughs that transformed Indian pharmaceuticals into a global force for good. The India Pharma Archives website, a living, growing digital ecosystem that captures something rare, the voices of those who built this journey.
Believe me, that one of the biggest contributions that India has made, all the members of IPA have made internationally, has been in the area of HIV/AIDS. The 90% of all the treatment of AIDS today in the world, the drugs come from India.
Quality, pricing. So these were the 2 fundamental things, where Indian companies were ahead of other markets.
We were the only company in India who developed a vaccine 100% by its own effort.
Important for us to ensure that Sun Pharma products are as good as multinational products.
Whether was it the Patent Act of 74 or later of 2005 or so. So all that put together is what has brought India to the global map.
Dr. Reddy's leap of faith and bold conviction that he had was that we were capable of discovering drugs.
We think we all have learned well to do access and affordability. We all have learned capabilities of technology and others. How do we now also add the layer of innovation, discovery?
We have to be known for the molecules that we will bring to market.
I think this is a new chapter, right, for innovation in India.
The story, however, is far from over. New chapters are being written, new frontiers are opening, and India continues to heal the world.